Hey y'all, it's your favorite remodeling truth teller, Roger Smith. And today's show is called How Can I Make My Kitchen Feel Bigger Without Changing the Footprint? All right, picture this. You're standing in your kitchen, and it feels as cramped as an Elvis festival in Vegas. You're dreaming of more space, but there's not a jackhammer in sight. So, how do you create room without calling in the wrecking crew? Fear not, because I've got some space stretching secrets that'll have you feeling like you've added an extra room without moving a single wall. First up, let's bring in the light. Nothing opens a space quite like a flood of natural light. If you're lacking in windows, fake it with bright, breezy lighting. Replace heavy drapes with sheer window treatments and add layered lighting that imitates Mother Nature's own handcrafted ambience. You'll be amazed at how even your morning pancakes shine under a new light setup. Next, let's talk about color. Light, neutral tones are your best friend in this quest. A fresh coat of paint in whites or soft pastels can create a serene sense of openness. If you're feeling bold, consider painting your ceiling a lighter shade than your walls. Boom, your room just gained a sky-high illusion. Y'all, I can't make this stuff up. And I see you over there ignoring contractor red flags. We need to talk. When adding built-ins or changing cabinetry, opt for sleek designs with reflective surfaces like glass front cabinets or shiny finishes. They reflect light and give depth, tricking the eye into seeing more space. Decluttering does wonders too. A neat and organized kitchen amplifies space both physically and visually. Install pull-out drawers and clever storage solutions to stow away kitchen gadgets that don't need to be front and center. Your counters shouldn't play host to every gadget like an audition for an infomercial. Don't forget about the floor. Continuous flooring from the kitchen into adjacent rooms will flow seamlessly, allowing each space to transition smoothly, which visually enlarges your kitchen's footprint. Lastly, add some strategic mirrors. It's more than a vanity trick. Mirrors double what's in sight, amplifying any space they reflect. Who knew a spot better known for selfies could make your kitchen feel grander? These smart strategies can transform your kitchen into an airy sanctuary without swinging a sledgehammer. Just by tweaking light, color, and organization, you can maximize your space without letting demolition dust settle in your porridge. This has been Roger Smith with the Phoenix Home Remodeling Show. Until next time, keep dreaming bigger, and remember, if your remodel feels stressful, it's not you, it's your contractor. Later, y'all.